Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I Javian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University and welcome you all in my session, and this session is all about types of NoSQL databases. So mainly there are four types of NoSQL database. The first one is key values. Example like Tokyo Cabinet, Redis servers. Document based NoSQL is like MongoDB, CouchDB, OrientDB, Raven database. And column based NoSQL is like Bigtable, Cassandra, HBase, Hypertable. Graph based NoSQL is Neo4j, Introgrid, Infinite Graph, FlockDB. Actually, this type of NoSQL is used in many different kind of projects, and they all have different functionalities. If you want to learn any one of them, you should know about the features of each of the databases. What is the functionality of MongoDB? MongoDB is used when uh, you have to store the data like analytical basis, then you can use the MongoDB NoSQL. So there are mainly four categories of NoSQL databases. Each of these categories has its unique attributes and its limitation. So no specific database is better to solve all problems. You should select a database based on your product's need. Let us see all of them, like key value pair based, column oriented, graph based, document oriented. So let us understand one by one what is the functionality and what is the key features of these databases. So first of all, we will discuss about key value pair based NoSQL database. So data is stored in a key value pairs. It is designed in such a way to handle lots of data and heavy load. So key value pair storage databases store data as a hash table where each key is unique, and the value can be JSON, blob, binary, large object, string. For example, a key value pair may contain a key like website associated with the value like Guru 99. So first of all, actually its working is very simple. First of all, you have to decide what is the key value of this website, and we can say the what is the key value of your project. So in this website, the name is your key value, age, occupation, and height and weight. So here is the value which is given front of the key. So it is one of the most basic type of NoSQL databases. This kind of NoSQL database is used as a collection, dictionaries, associative arrays, etc. Key value stores help the developer to store schema less data. They work best for shopping cart content, right? So if you need to product like shopping cart, then you can go for the key value NoSQL database, right? So some other name of the NoSQL databases which can be used in the project like shopping carts, like Redis, Dynamo, React are some example of the key value store databases. They are all based on Amazon's Dynamo paper. The second one is your column based. Column oriented database work on column and are based on big table paper by Google. Every column is treated separately. Values of single column databases are stored contiguously. Row key, here is the column name, key, and it's whatever the value which is given in the separate column, right? So this is the column based NoSQL database. They deliver high performance on aggregation queries like sum, count, average, minimum, etc. Alright, for this type of information you use column based NoSQL databases. So column based NoSQL databases are widely used to manage the data warehouses, business intelligence, CRM, library, and card catalog type of data storage. Some example of column based NoSQL is like HBase, Hypertable, etc. Document oriented NoSQL database stores and retrieve data as a key value pair, but the value part is stored as a document. The document is stored in a JSON or XML format. The value is understood by the database and can be queried. So here is the structure of the document oriented NoSQL database. In this diagram on your left you can see we have rows and columns, and in the right side we have document database which has a similar structure to JSON. Now for the relational database you have to know what columns you have and so on. However, for a document database you have data stored like JSON object. You do not require to define, which make it flexible. The document type is mostly used for CMS system like blogging platform, analytics, e-commerce application. It should not use for complex transaction which require multiple operations on or queries against varying aggregate structures. So here is the some example of relational document based NoSQL database. So Amazon Simple Database, Couch Database, MongoDB, Lotus Notes, MongoDB are popular documents originated DBMS system, right? Graph based NoSQL database is a graph type database stores entities as well as the relational amongst those entities. The entity is stored as a node with the relationship as edges, and edges gives a relationship between the nodes. Every node and edge has a unique identifier, right? So the nodes and edge has a relationship, and this type of database is loosely connected, and graph database is a multi-relational in nature. So traversing relationship is fast as they are already captured into the database and there is no need to calculate them. Graph based database mostly used for social network and logistic spatial data. Okay, so this is all about this session, and thank you class. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.